Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to apply your false lashes. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section so I'll know what you think about this video. So let's get started. So for this video I'll be using this hair bond and my flat brush and my lashes here. So I will start with applying this glue to my lashes.
It's making noise. The phone is ringing. She's 60. Really 90.
So after applying the glue on my lashes, I'll wait for it to air for a while. Then I'll apply glue on the base of my lashes, my real lashes. So that's what I'll be doing now, applying glue to the base of my lashes. Just know that with this technique, like, your lashes can never fall off. So now I'll allow my lashes to air as well, so that when I bring the other one, the first lashes, it will stick well. So guys, my lashes are dried and ready for what's next. So now I'll be taking my first lashes that I've kept here, that I applied the glue earlier, and I'll be fixing it to my original lash line. So here we go. As you can see, I'm pressing it down with my original lashes so it will stick. With this method, like, you don't need to be scared of your lashes falling off anywhere. Like, you don't even need to carry glue around for your lashes, because your lashes can never fall off during the day, and removing it is not so easy as well. So you don't need anybody to task you, or you don't need anybody's support to fix lashes like this. This is just, it's very simple, and anybody can do it just the way you've seen me do it, like this. So guys, this is just it for lashes. Like, it's very simple, and as you can see, it's not too long a period of time to wear it on. So, like, just look at the base. It's just, I was saying, these lashes, they're very simple to apply. You don't need a very expensive or any glue. Like, this one is the original bond, like Lanell is the original bond, and it's here is just 400 naira or 500 thereabouts. You don't need like other glue. So you can find a better glue if you need one, but this one is less expensive and is very adhesive. So you can use this one the way you saw me use it, and it's very nice. It can carry you all through the day. As you see me here, like it's very strong, it's very strong, as you can see, like very strong. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and also leave a comment in the comment section so I'll know what you think about the video. Thank you very much, and bye.